Welcome to Marvel DC Zone. Are you ready for transformation superheroes into super police car? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's go! Iron Man. Transformation into super police car. Venom. Transformation into super police car. Thanos. Transformation into super police car. Captain America. Transformation into super police car. Spiderman. Transformation into super police car. Superman. Transformation into super police car. The Hulk. Transformation into super police car. Black Panther. Transformation into super police car. Hawkman. Transformation into super police car. Human Torch. Transformation into super police car. Green Lantern. Transformation into super police car. Thor. Transformation into super police car. Loki. Transformation into super police car. Wolverine. Transformation into super police car. Batman. Transformation into super police car. Flash. Transformation into super police car. Groot. Transformation into super police car. Black Adam. Transformation into super police car. Deadpool. Transformation into super police car. Ghost Rider. Transformation into super police car. King Shark. Transformation into super police car. Miles Morales. Transformation into super police car. Sandman. Transformation into super police car. Anti-Venom. Transformation into super police car. The Thing. Transformation into super police car. Doctor Strange. Transformation into super police car. Shazam. Transformation into super police car. Carnage. Transformation into super police car. Green Arrow. Transformation into super police car. Scarlet Witch. Transformation into super police car. Cyborg. Transformation into super police car. Aquaman. Transformation into super police car. Wonder Woman. Transformation into super police car. Moon Knight. Transformation into super police car. Ant-Man. Transformation into super police car. Harley Quinn. Transformation into super police car. Daredevil. Transformation into super police car. Captain Marvel. Transformation into super police car. Spot. Transformation into super police car. Punisher. Transformation into super police car. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next videos, goodbye.